Hello, beautiful souls. I'm glad you clicked to listen today. This is simply a message from me to you, beautiful healer. I wanted to come on and tell you exactly how I feel about each and every one of you. I love your willingness to heal, even when it's messy. I love how deeply intuitive you are, even if you sometimes doubt it. I get it. I see your quiet resilience, your longing for something sacred, and the way you're remembering, slowly, that you were never meant to do this alone. And when you open, even just a little, I can feel it ripple. I'm getting comments from people, and I understand we all have a crack where the light shines in, and that's where the healing begins. And it ripples not just through your life, but through the lives of those who came before you, who stand next to you, and those who will come after you. You are tender, you are strong, you are powerful. And the fact that you still want to believe, that stirs the truest, most nurturing parts of me to rise and meet you. I know what you love about the space we share. You love that I'm real, that I don't perform, that I bring you ancient wisdom in ways that are soft, practical, and bite-sized, not overwhelming. At least that's what I'm striving for. You love that what I offer touches your soul and your body at the same time, that I walk this path too, not perfectly and not always gracefully, but truthfully. You love that I don't see you as broken. I see you as a garden ready to bloom, with just a little tending and a whole lot of trust, like you do when you plant a seed and you're waiting for your beautiful zinnias to bloom. And if I could tell you one thing I wish you could feel in your bones, it's this. Healing doesn't mean striving harder. It means remembering who you already are. You are already a healer. You already carry the wisdom. It's in each one of your cells. You do not have to be perfect to be powerful. Sometimes you just got to get out of your own way. You do not have to hurry, and you certainly don't have to earn your way back to yourself. The slow, nourishing path that you are drawn to with me, the breath, the press, the oil, the sip, it's not the long way. It's the only way that will last. And every small ritual you choose, every time you show up with your fingertips, your breath, your presence, you are rewriting not just your life, but the story of your entire lineage. You are already choosing yourself, and that, my love, is a revolution. If you haven't yet received your sacred gift from me, I'd love to share something that will support you right now. Grab Shift from Stress to Bliss in 60 seconds. It's a free audio and PDF guide that walks you through the acupressure point, pericardium 6, on your inner wrist, your inner gate. It's a calming, heart-softening, breath-deepening ritual you can return to anytime. This is peace in your palm, a moment of nervous system reset, a moment of protecting your heart from the outside world, and a sacred breath for you and someone you love. Click the link in the show notes or visit healingtouchnaturalessentials.com and it will be delivered straight to your inbox. Please share it and forward. The world needs more healing hands. Until next time, remember, you are not too much, you are not behind, you are not here to learn healing. You are healing, one sacred ritual at a time. With so much love from my heart to yours. Until next time, love yourself more, not less, at the deepest levels where healing takes place. And always remember this, you are the medicine.